Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Sagittarius, for your relationship and career situation, Sagittarius. I'll be picking one card each from this deck. So this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys. So let's start with the cards for your general energies, Sagittarius. So we will see what are these cards. We have Eight of Wands in reverse, Wheel of Fortune, and Three of Wands. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. Maybe you are in a circumstance right now, guys. You have achieved certain things for yourself, certain ambitions or goals in your career or in your personal life. You are happy for it and you are waiting for the next opportunity or offer to come in your way, and you are waiting for the next move or the next chance forward, guys. So some kind of an expectation you have in your life, waiting to step into something new. Maybe you are expecting some projects in your career situation, or in this relationship maybe you are expecting some news, maybe from this person you love. And for some of you, things are going in a very positive way, guys. In your work, you are in an important place. Maybe you have an important job to do. You are a team leader or the CEO, someone who has a lot of power and authority. So things are going well and things are going as it should. So some kind of a karma or destiny unfolding. So whatever good you have done is coming back, or and even whatever mistakes or the wrong things you have done, so that is causing some kind of a negative situation or some kind of a negative impact today. You feel that. So you feel certain circumstances are unfolding without you making any effort or making any circumstances unfolding without your expectations. So some kind of destiny is working in your life and you feel that it is destiny the reason for the way things are. So there may be some happiness or sadness you are facing in your life, and it is a part of your life. You have that acceptance. That is also what I see. And maybe because of the way things are with you, because of your position in life, your status, and positive things happening, there are people who are quite jealous or envious of you, guys. And I also spoke of some kind of a negative impact because of the mistakes that you did. Maybe some wrong choices in your career, or it may be some bad things you did in your personal life. Maybe some circumstances, you were the reason for those circumstances. Some bad past hurt, whatever it was. So you are feeling really guilty for having done something wrong, guilty for the mistakes, or guilty conscience for what has unfolded. So you are not a person who hurts others, but something has happened unintentionally. So something which you did and that has hurt that other person, and maybe you are in separation because of that. So you are feeling really guilty and sad, Sagittarius. That is also what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship, guys. So we have breathe. So this card just means that we should just take in whatever our situation is and just relax ourselves. Just be patient today. Just breathe in and breathe out in the situation without making any positive choices or negative choices today. We need to just be patient, wait for things to unfold and have trust. So whatever is right will surely reach you. You just have to breathe in and breathe out, and there is no need to hurry today. So release all the tension, anxiety, maybe all that guilt. Maybe you have done something wrong, and maybe you never meant to do things that way. It was totally unintentional, and you should forgive yourself. Release that anxiety and guilt you feel, and be patient, and that patience is going to change the way things are in your relationship today, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. It is happy. So this is a very auspicious card, guys. So it just stands for fulfillment, happiness and contentment, and everything is well as it is in your situation. So you need to take time to be proud for all that you have achieved and have that sense of gratitude and thankfulness towards the universe for all that efforts, all the results that you have reached with your efforts and creativity. And remember that you can accomplish anything if you feel that gratitude for that help you have achieved from God or spirit or universe, whatever you call it, and be happy. Feel that thankfulness and gratitude truthfully in your heart of hearts for everything that you have received today, guys. So happiness is going to bring more happiness, and you are going to be more happy, more successful and prosperous in your career situation, guys, and in your life. So that is the energy with this card, Sagittarius, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.